Okay, so here's a copy tip for your membership site. Let's say you're writing copy for your membership site, whether that's an email, whether it's an ad. I like to talk about ads, but works in email, works in any setting really, this tip. And that is, when you're going to ask somebody to buy something, you have really two approaches. The first approach is what everyone does. They say, hey, here's this, buy this right now. They might even include an incentive like a discount or a bonus or something if they take action. And that's to really push people over. That's a tip that you can also use. But the real pro level people, what they do is they actually don't say buy this. They don't even make it seem like a sales pitch. They make it seem like they're educating you about something. And so they will say, hey, here's my top recipe. Let's say that they're selling cooking lessons or cooking classes in a cookbook. And so they say, hey, here is a lesson, here's my #1 recipe. And then what they'll do is, as you're reading that and as you're going through it, they're slowly pitching you, this is a great recipe, and it really is. And you're reading it and you're going, wow. And then by the end of it, they're like, if you want access to all of my recipes that are just as great and even greater than this, buy this right here for $7 or whatever. And that's your tripwire offer. So you can educate them, you can teach them something, and then embed your sales pitch in that so that they're reading the sales pitch, but they're not in that sales mind. They don't really know that they're being pitched. So that's the best way to do it. You can try this with your ads, you can do this with your emails, you can do this with the copy even on your website a lot of the times, as long as you're educating and then you ask for that sale, people will buy a lot more. So try that out. Let me know how it goes in the comments below.